Defense counsel Nova Naidu made his final submissions on Meek's bail application, emphasizing her status as the sole breadwinner of a family and asserting that she poses no flight risk. He also argued that there is no solid evidence to suggest she would abscond if released. The requested bail amount is 5,000 rand.
The state's case is not as strong as initially perceived. And it is our humble submission that is one of the factors that the court should consider when considering bail, is does the court have a strong enough case to secure a conviction against the applicant at the trial?
In contrast, the state has strongly opposed granting bail. They argue that Meek has the means to flee, citing her ability to work remotely. Additionally, the state prosecutor alleged that her alternative address in KwaZulu-Natal is not secure. The state also emphasized that the court of public opinion should be taken into consideration.
You can work from anywhere and continue to earn a salary. Remember, it's not her bank account that has conditions and so on. It is the applicant herself. So she will still have access to her bank account and so on, and continue to have those financial resources. So it is a real possibility that the applicant will be a flight risk. Your Worship, if we remember, that the applicant is not facing a sentence that is a slap on the wrist. She's actually facing life imprisonment.
During the state's closing submissions, the prosecutor described Meek's conduct as dubious and devious, stating that all forensic evidence points back to her and likening it to a train on tracks that cannot veer from its destination.
He went on an elaborate scheme, so to speak, to conceal her actions by reporting him as missing, knowing full well that he laid harmed in her unit. Furthermore, she then pointed to the transport driver as the last person to have been with Jayden, and thereby causing him to be a suspect and causing his home or house to be searched.
After more than a week of intense testimony, including a critical cross-examination of the investigating officer, Magistrate Annelien Africa is expected to rule on the issue of bail on Tuesday. Lopang Alamu, SABC News, Johannesburg.